Connect your wallets and select your favorite one. Your wallet will appear here. Verify your data and click Connect. Tap Connect. Get started. Now you are ready to face scan. Select a Start Face Scan. Type in your email address. Click this option, Agree and Continue. Check your mailbox. Sign into Fractal ID. Read and agree. Take your time. I agree. Allow. Prepare yourself for a selfie. Select Take a selfie and allow permissions to enable your camera. Frame your face in the oval and follow instructions. Wait the review, then you will be redirected to I Am Human Web. Mint your SBT. Approve. Now you have your Soulbond NFT. Share it and tag it Meet a Pool.